Hi guys, welcome back to Lady P Naija TV. In today's video, we are going to be making Nigeria perfect okra soup. Here are my ingredients I will be using. First, in here I have here is my okra. Is here to cut. So I just finished cutting my okra. Okay guys, this is my fresh spinach. So this is my beef I will be using. Also, this is my cow leg. In here I have my fresh mackerel fish. So in here I have my shrimps. Also I have my starfish, Okro. Okay guys, this is my palm oil. In here I have my habanero pepper, Scotch bonnet pepper. I have my onions, seasoning cube. This is my jumbo powder to boil the meat. Okay guys, stay tuned. Okay guys, I have my meat in the pot. Now I'll be adding my salt to taste to boil it. I have my jumbo powder. So I'll be adding my onions to boil the meat. So now I'm going to cover it to cook. Okay guys, I'll be back. So guys, let's check on the meat. So let me check. So guys, now the meat is well cooked. I will be adding my cow leg now. I just added my cow leg. Then I'll give it a stir. Now I will be adding my fresh mackerel fish. I just added my mackerel fish. So I'm still going to add a little water. Then I will cover it to cook like 15 minutes. So let's check on the meat now. Okay guys, my meat is well cooked. Now I'll be taking it off the gas. Then I will start to mix my okra. So I have my pot of meat in here already. In here I have my fry pan. I will be turning my palm oil to stir my okra. I just add in my palm oil. I will allow it to hot a little bit. Now I will be adding my onions. It's not too hot. So now I will be putting my okra. So I just add in my okra. I have my seasonings. I just add in my 3 seasoning cube. Also, I will be adding my crayfish, blended crayfish. Now I will stir it thoroughly. So at this point, I'm going to add in I will be adding my red bell pepper. At the same time, I will be adding my Scotch bonnet pepper. I just add my Scotch bonnet pepper, everything together. I will stir it now for 2 minutes. Then I will turn it into my pot of meat. Okay, guys. So, guys, now I will be adding my stockfish. I just add in my stockfish. So guys, I am going to mix my okra now into the meat. So now I'm going to add in my shrimp. My soup is almost ready. So I'm going to add in my spinach now. So guys, my soup is ready. 2 minutes time, I will turn off my gas. Okay guys. Just for the finishing guys, it smells nice already. Wow, have you liked this video? If you haven't, please give it a thumbs up. Okay guys, so I'm going to serve my soup. Guys, I just served my soup. It's so yummy guys. Thanks for watching. I love you all. See you in my next video. Bye.